Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about my topic waste clean to clean water, tackling wastewater from different industries. Wastewater treatment is an ancient concept to treat the waste, but the industrial wastewater treatment is a new era concept came into existence after the industrial revolution. In many developing countries, the wastewater is directly disposed into the rivers and canals, causing a serious impact to aquatic life and spreading of health related diseases. Today I will discuss on the characteristics and the process of treatment wastewater originated from different industries.
Non-residential wastewater. First, agriculture wastewater. It contains organic matter and nutrients like phosphate, potassium, and nitrate. It also includes harmful pesticides and herbicides. To treat the agricultural wastewater, two methods are used. First one is by filtration method and by treating wastewater with wetland treatment. In filtration method, nano-activated carbon is used to treat and remove the pollutant from the wastewater. In wetland filtration, sediment basins are provided to absorb the coarse and medium sediments from the wastewater, and the remaining residual is absorbed by the wetland, and the clean water moves into the streams. Second, mining industry has high concentration of arsenic, lead, minerals, and toxic chemicals that basically contaminates the water. Advanced pyrotechnique is used to remove the minerals from the wastewater. Third, textile wastewater. Textile wastewater includes bleach, synthetic drugs, synthetic dyes, and chemicals. In the treatment of textile wastewater, we have three methods: oxidation, physical, and biological treatment. Oxidation, hydrogen peroxide is used to treat wastewater. In physical treatment, filtration is used to remove chemicals and dyes from the wastewater. In biological, bacteria, algae, and fungi are used to treat the wastewater. All the methods are aligned with United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 6, clean water and sanitation, and Sustainable Development Goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. To cap it all methods like filtration and wetland treatment are effective in treating the agricultural waste. Even the advanced pyrotechnique is also effective in removing the excessive or heavy minerals from the industrial wastewater. The waste generated from textile industries is also treated by the filtration method, and most of the contaminants are removed.